everyone and welcome to another video. Today we have come to Dyserth Waterfall. I think that's how you pronounce it. Wales.
We're very sorry for his pronunciation.
Yeah, I think it's sort of that. That's what the sat nav will sound like.
Alrighty.
Let's go and have a look. Sorry, Johnny.
We're going to rain. I thought it was raining when we left the car because the wind blew the waterfall.
Got a little cave there.
Yeah? We're not going. We're not risking any animals. Having a baby, like, what is that? Like a fantasy one? Into a dragon or something.
So there's a little car park just over there.
Yeah?
Yeah, about 10 cars in there maybe if you're lucky.
Yeah, but we come very early, so it's barely.
There's a little shop just there.
Just cab, yeah?
Cab. It's £1, well, it's 50p to get in per person.
Oh yeah, it's not. I hope you can hear us because we don't have a microphone on.
So here is the waterfall.
It's magnificent. Oh. Where are these steps going to?
I don't know. I think it's like a little walk. I don't know how long it is. But...
Okay. So, is everything love?
Yeah.
This is our little treasure. Yeah, you like to travel with us? You love to look around? Okay, so the last look at the waterfall before I get all wet. See you other time. Bye.